Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Ravi Sir Biology class, and in this session I'm going to take the class for 10th standard, and the very first chapter is life processes, in which we are going to study about nutrition in human being. So this topic today is nutrition in human. In nutrition in human, we will discuss about how the animal is going to perform the process of nutrition so that it can survive on the earth. The 5 points I am recalling you, 5 points I had given you, which is very common in all the type of animals, whether we are talking about single cell animal or the multicellular animal. The first is ingestion, second is digestion, third is absorption, fourth is assimilation, and the fifth one is egestion. These are the 5 topics. These are the 5 steps are very important for nutrition in animals, whether they are single cell animal or they are most complex animal or the multicellular animal. So these are the 5 steps here we have to discuss in concern of human being. So let me tell you about this. Nutrition in a human is a type of heterotrophic animal, as you know, as well as they are holozoic. This shows holozoic type of nutrition in which they take complex food material into their body, and the complex food material will be taken in and break down into the simpler substances, and afterward these all steps will be taking place and animal can survive and by performing nutrition. So this is nutrition in human. For that we need to know about the process of intake of food material. So by several means we need to draw a diagram actually to understand the digestion complete process. Here we discuss about the human alimentary canal and human digestive system. Before the diagram we need to know 2 things. Human has digestive system as well as glands. These 2 things are to be studied here so that the things will be clear. Digestive system will have alimentary canal, of course. So we can say the alimentary canal and glands, digestive glands, these are aggregately we call the digestive system in human beings. So we have to study alimentary canal plus its glands, and this process is called the digestive system. This complete digestive system is called digestive system. So how they are made up of, what is the structure and what is the process of this, let me draw with the help of a diagram. This is this is this is a structure of human being. This is a structure of human being. This is a nose and the common passage of nose and mouth, you know very well. There is a common passage, we'll discuss it later while studying respiration. This is human stomach. Afterward, this is human human large intestine. Into it, the small intestine is situated. This is another structure of liver, the biggest gland of animal body. Liver. Another gland is present, green leafy structure like this is called pancreas, and this is the complete structure of human digestive system. This is called mouth, which opens in a cavity is called mouth cavity. This is food pipe, which is also known as esophagus. This is stomach. This is liver. The gland. Here, salivary gland is present, parotid glands. This is also a gland. Here it is pancreas. This is pancreas. This is the opening of small intestine and ending of this stomach. It is called duodenum. And inside it the small intestine is present. And the bigger one, the broader one, it is called large intestine. This is the complete structure. Inside the liver, one more structure I have made here, which has a canal also. This is called gallbladder. This is called gallbladder. So today we will talk about this structure, and then we will discuss how the possibilities of digestion will be taking place in the given diagram. Food will be intake. The first step to be done, ingestion. Remember, intake of food is called ingestion. So the food will be taken in by mouth. As soon as food will be taken in, we start chewing it. We chew it by using our teeth. Teeth are of 4 types. There are 4 types of teeth present in our body, in our jaw actually. This is incisor, canine, premolar, and molars. And therefore, actually their number is half of the jaw. If we talk about a jaw, this is a jaw where teeth are present. So if we take half of the jaw, this half of the jaw will be taken, we can differentiate these varieties of teeth present in human jaw. First 2 teeth, this one and this one, these are 2 in number, and these are called incisors, which helps the food to bite. This is called incisors. Then After the front one, it is having two, this is having also two, so total four teeth are there, upper jaw and lower jaw. Both are having four upper and four lower teeth, which helps the food to bite first. Whenever we take food, we just try to bite it. Suppose this is a food material, we try to bite it with the help of the front teeth. These are called incisors. The second teeth is canine, which is very narrow, so that if something we are taking healthier, heavier, which is not possible to bite from these front teeth, so we take it a bit right or left towards the canine teeth, the very fine teeth. This one, we just take it and tear it. So these are called canine. These are just one in number in half of the jaw. So this will be called 1. Then a bit heavier teeth will come. This one, the blue one, this one and this one. These are 2. And afterward, 3 teeth are there. 3 teeth will be seen here, which are very heavy, and these 2 and these 3. These teeth, these 2 are called premolar, and last 3 teeth are called molars, which have ability to grind the food. So biting of food will be done by these 2 incisors. Then heavier food will be tear up by canine teeth, which is very pointed. Now you can see in my jaw. These are these 2 and these 2, 4. And premolars, just after it, when we go through end, I cannot show it now. And the last 3 are premolars. So let me count this thing. 3, we are talking about half of the one jaw. We have 2 jaw, upper jaw and lower jaw. We have taken one example, either upper or lower jaw, and half of the jaw I am counting. 3 teeth of molars, 2 teeth of premolars, 1 tooth of canine, and 2 teeth for incisors. So half of the molar is 2, 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 8. Half of the jaw is 8 teeth. So 1 full jaw, 8 2 jaw, 16. And we have 2 jaw, upper and lower. So there will be total 32 teeth. So there are 32 teeth in our jaw. And therefore, this is a criteria. The criteria I have made for actually dental formula of human. What is the dental formula of human? You can see 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3 upon 2, 1, 2, 3. This will be the dental formula of human being. Dental formula. And because of, you know very well, this formula is applied, this just 2, 1, 2, 3 is a number given by you only, given by me only here in this video, where I had introduced 2 incisors, 1 canine, 1 premolar and 3 molar teeth. So this is about the mouth and the teeth. Teeth bite the food. After taking it, they start chewing by using these several sets of teeth, and the food will be broken down into some of the part of the food will be broken down into the mouth cavity only. While biting, salivation will be produced and the first gland will start working. The first gland is salivary gland, which has an enzyme, salivary amylase. The enzyme is called salivary amylase. The action of salivary amylase is on starch. We will discuss it later. Here we have to discuss only about the salivary amylase. Just I am introducing the complete structure. So this is called salivary amylase, which mixed with the help of the tongue present into the mouth cavity. And now food is become almost paste. That paste will be made in the mouth cavity and going down. along with food pipe, which is called esophagus. Food is moving, but the structure is not very suitable that anything you are placing and it will go down itself. No, this is not a structure that we are thinking, we are considering it a pipe and something we placed it goes down. No, it's a very different structure. Unless you are not chewing the food, it will not move, and the movement of the food is only possible when a type of movement is happening into the food pipe. And what is the movement of that food pipe inside the food pipe by a food? And this is a board examination question, and this movement is called peristaltic movement. Very important point is this peristaltic movement. This peristaltic movement is a movement, this is also called peristalsis. This is a movement by which food is only possible to move from mouth to stomach. This is a movement only because of that. For example, I am telling you, if we have taken a full of food and you are hanging invertly, does the food is placed into the stomach will comes out? No, not possible, because it is a structure, it is not a structure like pipe. So the path is open. No, the path is not open of this esophagus, and that's why this is needed a special movement, and that movement is called peristaltic movement. Is that clear, everyone? I hope it will be clear. So this is about the movement. After the movement, the food is reaching into the stomach. The stomach is also secreting three types of secretions, which we will discuss in part of digestion. This will allow the food to move down to the duodenum, where it will receive the secretion from pancreas as well as the secretions from gallbladder, the bile, and it will go to the duodenum. Then food goes to the small intestine, where absorption will be happen, and the food finally go to the large intestine, where reabsorption of salt and water take place, and digested food will be absorbed into the small intestine. The undigested food will go to the large intestine, where the absorption will not be occur, only reabsorption of salt and water will be possible, and rest of the undigested food will accumulated here in a bag like structure, which is called rectum. Inside the rectum, the undigested food will be stored, and according to the need, according to the convenience, the people will go and release it out into the toilet by an opening which is called anus. And this is the complete structure of human digestive system. In the next lecture, you will study about the complete process and mechanism of digestion in human being, and it will be just next of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.